Hello, welcome back to IT Landy. Um, let's we continue with where we left previously around the comparison between ELK and Splunk, and we spoke about the architecture, high level, and then we will talk about the deployment. Now, if you recall, we spoke. This is the architecture, and then we highlighted what each component can do, and then we started with Elasticsearch. We said, what is the Elasticsearch? We said Elasticsearch allows you to store, search, analyze big volume of uh, data, and it's mostly used as the underlying engine to power applications that basically completed search requirement. It has been adopted in search engines and it has been adopted in like engine platforms for modern web apps, mobile apps. Apart, we said from a quick search. So if you are not after quick search, this tool can offer very nice, complex analytics and many benefit around advanced features. We can see also you can do execution in search documents, offer advanced queries. It offers simple deployment to maximize the reliability and easy management. Also, what we said, some of the feature of or benefit of this Elasticsearch, we said it's an open source, used to index any type of heterogeneous data, has REST APIs, full text, NRT search, JSON sort of like approach, or schema free, and REST and JSON distribution or distributed document store. It supports multi-language and geolocation. We said other benefit, the schemas basically store, this is more specific, store less, around schema, store schema, less data, and also create schema for your data. It manipulate with your data records and help to basically multi-document the API, performing filtering, and you can see from the earlier sort of like sessions or slides, it's based on Apache. We call it sort of like the web UI to provide REST APIs and provide also horizontal scalability, reliability, and multi-tenant capabilities. Also to scale vertical and we said uh, horizontals. Now, next we move to the log stash. It is data collection pipeline tool. It collect data input feed from Elastic and gather all type of format, and also can unify the data, distribute source, and normalize it, allow you to clean, decentralize all of your data and analytics for the visualization. And we said earlier it contains from basically three components, and the layer designed for it, it's basically the input side, which pass the logs process into machine sort of like understandable format, and then filter set of conditions to perform particular action or events, and then the output to make the basically the decisions. So some of the features are event are passed through the basically each phase through internal queue, allow different input for your logs. It does filtering, and the benefit, one of the benefit around this one is this to offer us centralized data processing. It analyzes large volume and variety of structured data and events, and offers plugin to connect various type of sources and platforms. So this is the second component. Okay. Third is the Kibana, not Havana, Kibana. It's a data virtualization tool to complete the entire ELK stack. It's used for virtualized Elasticsearch volumes and documents and it offers us a dashboard for interactive, basically diagram, geo, basically presenting graphs and virtualized complex. It can use to search, view, interact, and data store from elastic directories. It help us to basically, or Kibana help us to perform advanced data analytics and visualize the data in more user-friendly charts, maps, tables, and different method of the basically search. Some of the benefits: uh, powerful front-end dashboard, enable real-time search, and you can execute queries around it. Now, all this nice stuff we mentioned about Kibana. What about the sort of like I will say disadvantages? And again, it does offer real time, but it allow. I mean, sometimes it's basically it can you can call advantage and disadvantage at the same time. Easy to visualize, fully integrated. It offer real time, but and user friendly, interactive. But at the same time, slowness. This is the issue with these tools. It's all about slowness. So again, with log analysis in the cloud nowadays, environment, infrastructure, performance, isolation, very important. We mentioned about especially like virtual machines, web apps, reliability. We highlighted the log management can help to monitor, assist in like addressing issues like through operating systems, logs like Ninjax. We didn't highlight the IIS servers, log traffics, application logs, either Amazon Web Services or Google GCP or Microsoft Azure's. Also to help the DevOps engineers, sysadmins to better making sort of like proactive, activities. Hence, it is so important, especially especially the ELK, the one we highlighted. Now, this is a summary of what we spoke about around these tools. Next is we're going to cover sort of like a more deep dive into the deployment, and we'll see how we can basically, benefit from ELK around Azure. Thank you for watching, and talk to you later on.